So next in proportion we are doing problems of exercise 1B, page number is 1.12. So let us start with question number 1. So they are asking what is the fourth proportional to 468. So what is the fourth proportional to 468? So we know that numbers are in proportion. If A ratio B is proportional to C ratio B, like the fourth proportional is B, you can apply formula. This is 4 by 6 is equal to 8 by B. So now you cross multiply, so it will be 4B is equal to 48. So it means fourth proportional is 48 divided by 4. That is our 12. This is our answer. So let us see question number second. The third proportional to. So what is the third proportional? So third proportional to 12 18. 12 angle 18. So only two numbers are given. So let us say third proportional is C. So if three numbers are in proportion, then we know that 12 upon 18 is equal to 18 upon fourth number is C. So cross multiply, this is 12C is equal to 18 into 18. So it means C is equal to 18 times 18 upon 12. So 6 2 are 18, 6 3. 9 into 3, 27 is our third proportional. So question number 3. In question third, they are asking what is mean proportional between. What is the mean proportional between. So that is in between 25 and 81. Like the mean proportional is. So since there are two numbers, so mean proportional is equal to B. So it means again 25 ratio B ratio 81. So they are in proportion. So it means 25 by B is equal to B by 81. So cross multiply, you get B square 25 into 81. So B is square root of this. 25 is 5 into 5. 81 is 9 into 9. So square root is 5 into 9, 45 is our mean proportional. Again, we have question number 4. The number which has the same ratio to 26, that 6 has to 13. So find the number. So we have to find a number which has the same ratio to 26. So that 6 has to 13. So find the number which has the same ratio to 26, that 6 has to be. Select this number is A. So that A ratio 26 is equal to 6 ratio 13. Now you can solve this. So A by 26 is equal to 6 by 13. So it means A is equal to 6 into 26 by 13. 13 to equal to 12. So this number is 12. Question number 5. What is your fourth proportional? So what is your fourth proportional? 2. Numbers are 2a. So a square and c. So fourth proportional is missing. Let us say this fourth proportional is our b or x. Then you can apply 2a upon a square is equal to c upon x. So now you can get the value of x. This is a square c upon 2a. So a cancelled. A square c upon 2a is cancelled. So get it ac upon 2. This is our fourth proportional. Question number 6. So four numbers are proportional. So four numbers are proportional. So what are these four numbers? 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, and 1 by x. So we have to find the value of x. So if these four numbers are proportional, it means 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 5 divided by 1 by x. So cross multiply. So 1 by 2 into 1 by x is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 5. So this is 2x is equal to 15. So 2x is equal to 15. So x is equal to 15 by 2. So that will be our number. It means x is 15 by 2. Therefore, our fourth number is which is 1 by x. So is equal to 2 by 15. तो फिर नंबर आपका रिवर्स हो जाएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. To find mean proportional. To find mean proportional in between. So our numbers are mean proportion between 12x square and 27y square. So we also know that if three numbers are given, a ratio, b ratio, c, they are in proportion. So b is called mean proportional and value of b is root ac. Right? Because if you write like this, a upon b is equal to b upon c, then cross multiply b square is equal to ac. So b is root ac. So direct you can calculate mean proportional is so 12x square into 27y square x square. So get it 12 into 27. 12 is equal to 4 into 3. 27 is 3 into 9 into x square and y square under root. You can take root of this. 2 root is 4 root is 2. 3 into 3 is 3. 9 root is 3. X square is x and y. So it is 18xy is our mean proportional. Question number 8. So if a is equal to, so we are given a is equal to b upon 2 and that is equal to C upon 5, then so find so A ratio B ratio C, तो आपको दिया है A is equal to B upon 2, C equal to C upon 5. So find A ratio B ratio C. So let us assume let so A is equal to B upon 2 equal to C upon 5 is equal to K. तो जब इस टाइप से आ जाए तीन चीजें इक्वल है उसको K के यूज कर लीजिए, तो A की वैल्यू आ जाएगी देन सो A इज इक्वल टू अवर K, A को K ही रहेगा, B इज इक्वल टू 2 into K and C is equal to 5K. Therefore A ratio B ratio C उसकी रेशो बन जाएगी। देखो K कॉमन है 1 to 5, तो 1 ratio 2 ratio 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, so if A upon 3 is equal to B upon 4 is equal to C upon 7, and then find you have to find out this is question number 9. So A plus B C upon C उसकी वैल्यू आपको फाइंड आउट करनी है। तो here also answer is let so A upon 3 is equal to B upon 4 C upon 7 is equal to K. तो A की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 3K, B is equal to 4K, C is equal to 7K. So now you can calculate. So A plus B plus C upon C. वर्किंग A प्लस A है 3, B है 4, C है 7, तो 3 प्लस 4 7 प्लस 7 14K एंड C है आपका 7K. So it means this value is 2. This is your answer. So question number 10. So if P upon Q is equal to R upon S is equal to 2.5 upon 1.5, find the value of this is your PS ratio to QR. So here P upon Q is this. So 2.5 upon 1.5 डेसिमल कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 25 by 15 दिस विल बी 5 by 3. आप इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लीजिए. नाउ यू गेट P. So it means what is value P? Q 5 5Q upon 3. Value of R. So this R upon S is also equal to 5 by 3. R upon S is equal to 5 by 3. So R is equal to 5S upon 3. अब इसमें पुट क्या रखेंगे नाउ, तो पी एस अपॉन क्यू आर, तो पी की वैल्यू पुट कीजिए 5Q अपॉन 3. एस की वैल्यू नहीं है, एस को एजिटेज रहने दीजिए, अपॉन क्यू की वैल्यू नहीं है और आर की वैल्यू है 5S अपॉन 3. तो एस आपका कैंसिल, क्यू कैंसिल, 5/3, तो 1:1. ये आपका आंसर है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. If X ratio Y is equal to Z ratio W, equal to 2.5. This is also equal to 2.5 upon 1.5 means ratio. So this is also equal to, let us write 2.5 ratio 1.5. This is also similar to previous question, but we have to find the value of वैल्यू आपको फाइंड आउट करनी है x प्लस जेड अपॉन y प्लस डब्ल्यू। आपको वैल्यू इसकी कैलकुलेट करनी है। सो फ्रॉम हेयर वी हैव क्वेश्चन है कि x अपॉन y इज इक्वल टू 2.5 अपॉन 1.5 विच इज 5/3। तो इससे x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी x इज इक्वल टू 5/3 y। So similarly, this z upon w is equal to 5/3. So you get z is equal to 5/3 w. इसमें पुट कर रखें वैल्यू। So now, so x plus z upon y plus w is equal to x की वैल्यू है 5/3 y प्लस z की वैल्यू है 5/3 w अपॉन y प्लस w। So 5/3 is common. We are left with y plus w. Denominator is also y plus w. Y plus w cancel, तो आंसर है 5/3। ये आपका आंसर आ जाएगा। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 12। So if 5x minus, it is given 5x minus 3y divided by 5y minus 3x that is equal to 3/4. So we have to find value of x plus y, value of x ratio y। तो आपको x रेशो y फाइंड आउट करनी है। जब इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आ गए, एक ऊपर जैसे माइनस में चल रहा है या कोई दो आइटम्स है, तो आप अप्लाई कीजिए कॉम्पोनेंटो डिविडेंडो। अप्लाई कॉम्पोनेंटो एंड डिविडेंडो। तो उसमें क्या था, इफ यदि आपको दिया है a अपॉन बी इज इक्वल टू सी अपॉन डी, कॉम्पोनेंट के डिवीजन को क्या था, ए में आपने एक बार करना है प्लस डिनोमिनेटर को, एक बार करना है माइनस, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू सी प्लस बी अपॉन सी माइनस बी। दिस वाज रूल ऑफ कॉम्पोनेंट को डिवीजन को, राइट। एक बार डिनोमिनेटर को प्लस कर दो, एक बार इसी में से माइनस कर दो, ऐसे इस साइड। तो यहाँ भी देखते हैं अप्लाई करके हैं। तो अप्लाई कॉम्पोनेंट को डिवीजन को, इट विल बी 5x माइनस 3y, तो प्लस कर लीजिए 5y माइनस 3x, फिर आप माइनस कर लीजिए 5x माइनस 3y माइनस 5y प्लस 3x बन गया। इसमें से आपने किया इसी को माइनस, हेयर आल्सो, तो 3 प्लस 4 अपॉन 3 माइनस 4। तो आपको x रेशो y फाइंड आउट करनी है। तो 5x माइनस 3x इक्वल टू 2x, 5y माइनस 3y माइनस 2y, 5x प्लस 3x 8x माइनस 5 एंड 3 8y इक्वल टू 7/-1। तो x 2 is common, x minus y, here also 8 is common, x minus y, it will be 7/-1। So 8 2 4 So x minus y. We are given if this is equal to this, find the value x ratio y. x ratio y आपको रखनी है x minus y upon this is 2x, that will be our 428 minus 1. अब आप अप्लाई कर लीजिए, अगेन अप्लाई कॉम्पोनेंट को डिवीजन को. Apply component and dividend. It means x minus y plus x minus y. So that will be equal to x minus y minus x plus y.